Hey guys, it's Matt. Just wanted to show you how our sniper bot works in the all-in-one platform for NFT trading, our trading hub. Just hover on bots up here and click on sniper bot. We will get directed to this page where we have our tasks. So the first thing we need to do is add a wallet. If you haven't already done that, just go to wallets and add your own wallet. You can either create one, mass generate, or use your own with a private key. And then all we need to do is create a task. We search a collection we want to snipe, for example, doodles, and then we can set the price range in which we want to buy it. For example, when it hits 1 ETH, this means the buy will trigger for any NFT listed within 0 here and 1 ETH. Then we just either input our private key or we use one of our wallets we created earlier, for example, this one. Then we do next. This is the max gas fee, so we can either use auto and it's going to take the current gas environment we're in right now, or you can do custom if you think that gas may spike when your transaction goes through. For example, you can put 500 Gwei if you want to be conservative. Then you can set your max priority fee, for example, 10, and then you can put the max auto buy 1. And here you can decide if you want to skip flag tokens or not. In this case, I want to do it. So then we just hit save. And now our task is saved. As you can see, it's active. If we want, we can cancel it. And if a doodles gets listed under or within 1 ETH, it's going to get triggered. And then if it goes through, we're going to find it in activity after. If you close the platform, move away from your computer, etc., don't worry. The tasks are still running in the background, even with the application closed, unlike other platforms. By the way, if you want to try the platform, we have a 7-day free trial going on right now. Just go to the page app.wagmilabs.tools, and here you can scroll down and find the 7-day free trial that you can activate right away. See you inside, guys.